Hi everyone, welcome to Assembly. This is a really special assembly this afternoon because it's the very first of our values celebrations, and I'm looking forward to giving out some of these certificates for children who have very much shown respect for this half term. Let's get started. Our very first certificate in What an A goes to Riley. Riley, you have shown you are very respectful by listening carefully to both your teachers and all of your friends. In What an B, Warren and Sophia have shown enormous respect, particularly in a very, very busy week last week. As we go through the assembly this week, I'd like to show you some pictures and some quotes. This one celebrates that we're all different, but we should all accept each other, celebrate each other, and respect each other. Our next certificate is for Jake. Jake has consistently showed respect to both adults and peers. He sets a wonderful example for all of his friends. Well done, Jake. For the same reason, the next certificates are for Flo, Oscar P, and Pip. Thank you for all being so respectful to everybody. This quote is one of my favourites and one that we've revisited many, many times. Treat others the way that we would like to be treated. In Year 3, Ruben and Oscar C have shown respect every single day of Year 3 so far. They always make the right choices, they're kind to everyone, and they're excellent role models. Everyone is very proud of them. Also Vicky and Oscar A. You are always respectful and always responsible, setting a great example to others around you. Fantastic. This quote shows that in order to receive respect, you first need to give it. We need to make sure we are respectful to everybody. In Year 4, Jack has a respect certificate. He shows this in his learning and he shows this with his friends. That's great to hear, Jack. Going into Year 5, Maddie and Finley are continually polite and respectful to everyone in the class all of the time. Similarly, Tallulah and Jacob are brilliant role models. They are so respectful to everyone. Well done. Finally, in Year 6, Max and Edie are extremely respectful towards all adults and other children. You have excellent manners and are beautifully polite. Every day you show yourselves to be highly respectful listeners and learners. Amazing. Well done. I'd like to finish by showing you this respect. Treat others as you would like to be treated. Treat them with kindness. Speak courteously. Be considerate of others' feelings. Treat others' property with the same care as your own. Be polite and no bullying. Be nice in your words and in your actions. And don't forget please and thank you. A nice summary there of reminders of what we mean by respect. So whether it's respect for each other, respect for adults, respect for the environment, all of these people have shown respect this half term. I'm sure many of you have as well. Very well done to those people who have got a certificate. That's quite the recognition and something to be very, very proud of. I'd like to take this opportunity to wish you all a lovely half term next week and take care. Bye-bye.